Tech Assessment Center. I am Desiree Cacho, an accredited assessor for Food and Beverage Service and C2. Here's my ID to prove my accreditation. I would like to acknowledge the presence of our TESDA representative from TESDA Provincial Office, Mr. Mario Clark. Welcome, sir. So, don't mind his presence because dito lang siya para i-observe ang aming gagawing national assessment for FBS. Sir? Before we start, let me check your attendance first. Please sign here, Miss Hannah. Miss Dumangas. Once I call your name, please submit your admission slip. Miss Antoinette Hama. Miss Leslie Dumangas. Thank you. Nasa akin ngayon ang inyong accomplished application form and self-assessment guide. Nagpapatunay na alam at kaya niyong gawin ang competencies na ayon sa inyong qualification. So here, Miss Hama. Miss Dumangas. Today, I'm going to administer the competency assessment for FBS and C2, which consists of basic, common, and core competencies. Which is the core competencies is prepare the dining room and restaurant or area for service, and promote food and beverage product, provide room service, provide food and beverage. So, to determine your knowledge, skills, and attitude, for this qualification, you will be assessed through demonstration and oral question. Get it? Food and beverage service and C2 as a full qualification where you are required to perform the following tasks. The result of assessment is either you are competent or not yet competent. If you have any doubt or not satisfied with the result, you can make an appeal. However, rest assured that the result of your assessment shall be treated with strict confidentiality. This is ensure your integrity. In regard to this, I request your candidates to refrain from giving away any form of information regardless to your assessment. Get it, guys? Does anyone here who's not feeling well? If you have any difficulty in reading and understanding the given instruction, do not hesitate to inform me so I can help you. Does anyone here who is not feeling well? Yeah. Okay. Do you have any other question regarding to our assessment? Meron pa ba kayo ibang katanungan?
Wala po.
Kung wala, pwede na kayo mag-sit tayo at itutur ko kayo sa aming facilities. Candidate 1. So, how's your assessment?
Ayos naman.
Nag-enjoy ka ba?
Okay naman.
So, tingin mo ba pinagawa ang kailangan ka ng improvement? Saan?
Bakit po dun sa pag-handle po ng mga mental stress, medyo nahirapan na ako kasi sobrang bigat ng mga.
So, yun ano. So, nagawa mo naman lahat yung pag-room service. So, providing welcoming the guests. So, yun guys, sabi mo kanina, nag-step up and hindi mo din ang improvement about sa mga equipments, food and service. So, ito ay patunayan na permahan mo lang ito yung patunayan na nag-assessment ka sa aming center na gusto lang please congratulate ka sa mga ng aming assessment. Congratulations. So, permahan mo lang ito patunayan na nag-assessment. Okay. Thank you again and congratulations. How's your assessment?
Okay naman.
Nag-enjoy ka ba? But don't worry, yung mga yun ay gawin mong aral para mas may improve pa yung sarili mo, or mas kaya din yung sarili mo mag-aral pa or intindihin lahat ng mga performance na kailangan mo pang improve. But don't worry, you can reassess naman for this. Pero nasa iyo na kung mag-grab mo yung opportunity na yun, and kung gusto mo may freedom kang pumili kung anong oras. Pero yung time, yung assessment na lang yun ay yung ipaperform mo ay yung hindi mo naabot ng start. So still, kailangan mo din firma to na natanggap mo yung result ng assessment